Today, June 22, we detected over 3,000 unusual options at the 143 strike calls for Take-Two Interactive. This company makes games for PlayStation 4 and 5 and Microsoft Xbox One. And one of their most well-known games is Grand Theft Auto. And so in this video, we will be analyzing what these unusual options mean. Is this bullish or bearish for Take-Two Interactive? Because this is just expiring in just 8 days, June 30. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right to the analysis. Okay, so we take a look at the options chain. We'll see here that the 143 strike calls, there was 300 being done at 10 in the morning today. And then there were a couple of others coming in at different times of the day. And you'll see here as well, in the mornings as well, and throughout the day. So what does this all mean? What we think is when you analyze this, when you take a closer look and start looking more at these strikes, right, the June 30s, and we want to take a look at the 143 because we want to see whether or not they were buying this or selling this. And here we go. So we'll see here, we have a kind of filter it all out. We see a lot of these kind of being bought, being sold, being bought and being sold, right? So it gets kind of confusing because sometimes it looks like they're being sold, sometimes it looks like they're being bought. Okay, so this is where a deeper level of analysis comes in handy. And as we looked at all this data and to see what is most likely being done here and what is a higher probability, we figured out that they were buying this 143 strike calls. Okay, and so this is just June 30. So as you can see, if you buy this call, the analysis of the trade here is bullish, currently trading at 140. So as the price goes up, this will be profitable. It will be above that zero line. However, it has to break even right here. It actually has to break this 144 at expiration, which is next week, for this to be profitable next week on June 30 when these options expire. Okay, so if it does start to go up rather quickly, it could be profitable right away. But because this is a call option, it has a theta decay. And since it's going to be, the value of this is going to go to zero in just 8 days, this is a very negative theta decay, right? Negative 11, okay? And so if we take a look at the charts, you'll see here, there is a very strong longest winning streak since December 2009 currently happening right now, right? And so it looks like there is this potential for this winning streak to continue. However, we do have a resistance here at the 52-week high of 141. So we are approaching that. So you have to be very careful if you are trading this, that maybe this winning streak may come to an end. But there is a lot of call options being bought saying that this is going to be broken. And then the payout will be pretty high if that happens. And so that's something to keep in mind. We are not exactly trading it like this. We have a different trade strategy for situations like this that have less risk, and also balancing out that risk to reward ratio so that it is going to not be a considerable loss if this does not go past that 144. You actually have to get to 144 at expiration instead of 143. Okay, if you are interested in our trade strategies, we do have a membership where we post our exclusive videos for our private group. We also analyze other stocks as well, not just this one, but other stocks to diversify your portfolio with unusual options activity. And just click on the join button on our channel homepage to learn more. And as usual, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't to get updated information on unusual options activity. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified. Thank you and take care.